Alright, what's up everyone? Welcome back for another video. Gonna be a chill one today because we're just gonna cruise around a little bit, maybe get some pictures. I want to try to possibly get like a drive-by of the Mustang, but just came back from the grocery store, so this isn't gonna be a cold start, but let's start it up anyway. I let that idle a little bit while I go grab the tripod, the slider, and get a sweater on because it's a little chilly out today. Then let's get on the road. Probably not the best spot to be doing this, but gonna get a picture, at least one. Alright, we're back to this spot, but more pictures. I got another spot, just gonna get a few more photos and maybe do a little slider action. So let's look at the little slider setup I got because it didn't work easily and I had to buy a couple things, so let's look at it quick. Tripod, it's a Manfrotto. I bought two of these other heads mount things. So now that is mounted to the slider, which has one of the base plates to snap into the tripod, which one-handed, kind of hard to do, but kind of snaps in and snaps back in, so the tripod easily goes, and then this snaps in right there. Not too bad. I needed to get a little adapter to the bottom, but other than that, pretty good. Here. Alright, so this is actually day 2 of filming this video because for some reason my dumbass decided, hey, let's go out at like 2 o'clock on a Saturday. Tons of traffic, so we're going to try it again this early-ish Sunday morning. So we'll get an actual cold start for you. So the goal today, really, I just want to get like a drive-by clip of the drive-by clip of the car, get a nice exhaust, I guess, clip of it. So I got like one spot picked out. Hopefully it's pretty quiet because, like I said, it's earlier Sunday morning. It's actually 8:35, so hopefully there's not too many cars on the road. The spot we're thinking of, I do have a clip of the 240. If you want to go check out this video right up here of the little cruise I did with the 240. Gonna use one of those same spots. So let's head over there. I have the wife helping me out today so she can set up and I don't have to double back for the camera. Make it a lot easier on everyone. Let's head out. Wouldn't mind getting a clip of a burnout too, but might not happen today. We'll see. Can't make any promises. Truck just looks good. just filmed the clip. I didn't get to see how it came out yet, so you guys, I guess, saw it before me. Well, not really, because I edited the video. I guess give us a thumbs up if it was good, if my wife did good filming, or if not, or let me know in the comments if she's got to work on her skills a little bit. She said she tried to get a little cinematic with like panning the camera and stuff, so I mean, let us know what you think. Actually oddly busy right now, and it's 9 a.m. on a Sunday, but making it work, doing what we can, and let's try to find maybe a picture spot, maybe a large parking lot, we don't know. Let's see how it goes. Stay tuned. Very dark. I don't know if we're going to be too successful with looking for this parking lot to do a burnout, because it's very busy out randomly. And a weird amount of cops too. Yeah. All right, so back home, obviously, because we're back in the garage. With this junk and this junk. After watching the video back on the camera of the burnout, it's blatantly obvious that this car needs to be louder. It's very quiet, so that you can hear the tires. Well, on the camera, all I heard was the tires and no exhaust at all. But that's also because they're winter tires, and I guess they're just louder doing that. I don't know, from what I've seen in the past. But once again, exhaust, way too quiet. But that also brings me on to the next topic of something we're gonna have to discuss in a later video. So stay tuned to that, hit the subscribe button. I hope you enjoyed this very random, like vloggy style video. Probably a few more of these to come in the future. But other than that, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave some comments down below if you actually like this style video. Might start being a little more, getting a little more artistic with it, I guess. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Do race car things, I guess. Find a spot to do a burnout safely, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.